Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your domain to the hosting.
So first of all, in any registrar, just go on and click on Manage Domain, and then click on the domain name that you want to change the records. Then head over to Name Servers and click Edit.
Normally, this space is empty. I have copied these name server from the hostinger. So just go to the relevant hosting provider and find the relevant name server that you want to connect your domain to. Now, just simply copy and paste them from the relevant hosting provider and click on Update Name Server, and you're good to go. Normally, it takes 48 hours for the domain to be properly connected to the server. This process is called propagation. And that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.